Did you know that William the Conqueror's reign wasn't just about winning the Battle of Hastings? It was a high-stakes game of power, rebellion, and strategy that reshaped England forever. In this video, we're diving into the legacy of William the Conqueror, from his turbulent rule to the dramatic final chapter of his life. These moments didn't just end a reign, they forged a new future for England. After his famous victory in 1066, William didn't enjoy peace. His rule was constantly under threat, from angry Anglo-Saxon nobles, unrest in the north, and even betrayal within his own ranks. The harrying of the north, brutal as it was, showcased the lengths he would go to maintain control. Meanwhile, across the Channel, his lands in Normandy needed defending. Holding two crowns wasn't just a symbol of power, it was a source of constant tension and conflict. William's strategy was clear: suppress opposition with force, secure loyalty through land grants, and build fortresses to maintain dominance. Castles like the Tower of London weren't just homes, they were warnings. His military genius was evident in how he maneuvered through threats, from crushing revolts in the north to fending off foreign threats. But these victories came with a price: resentment grew, and the seeds of future conflict were sown. In the final years of his reign, William faced rebellion from his own son and escalating tensions in Normandy. His last campaign in 1087 was against the French king, a bold move that pushed his aging body too far. Mortally wounded during the siege of Mantes, William died shortly after, alone and abandoned. But his legacy? Immense. The Domesday Book, feudal reforms, and his reshaping of English aristocracy left a permanent mark on history. William's reign was one of transformation, violent, complex, but undeniably pivotal. England was never the same again, thanks to the decisions he made and the battles he fought. What do you think about William's legacy, visionary leader or ruthless conqueror? Drop your thoughts in the comments and check out our next video on the rise of medieval kingdoms.